Good morning. Today we are going to learn subject logic and reasoning. Already we have done all these things, but again today we are revising. So first of all, we will learn names of wild animals. And here also you can see some pictures of animals. You can recognize them. You can name them. So first one is stag. S-T-A-G, stag. Number 2, wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Then we have kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Then chimpanzee, C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E, chimpanzee. Then the hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. These are wild animals. Now we will learn some domestic animals and we will recognize them and we will learn their names. So first one is sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Then we have cat, C-A-T, cat. Then we have P-I-G, pig. Then D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Then goat, G-O-A-T, goat. These are domestic animals. Now we will learn names of aquatic animals. So here are some aquatic animals. Octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Second is crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Then starfish, S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Then crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Now we will learn some names of birds. So first one is vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Then we have sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Then dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Now we will learn some names of flowers. So first one is snowdrop, S-N-O-W-D-R-O-P, drop, snowdrop. Second is lily, L-I-L-Y, lily. Then we have rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Then marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Then lavender, L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Now some more names, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. O-R-C-H-I-D, orchid. Then poppy, P-O-P-P-Y, poppy. Then hibiscus, H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Then iris, I-R-I-S, iris. Now we will learn some names of vegetables. We are revising them. Actually, we have learned already, but again, so first of all, we are taking leafy vegetables. So first one is coriander, C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R, coriander. Second is lettuce, L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. Then fenugreek, F-E-N-U-G-R-E-E-K, fenugreek. Then we have spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Then last one is cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. These are leafy vegetables. Now we will learn some summer vegetables. So here are the names: BITTERGOURD, bitter gourd. Second is brinjal, BRINJAL, brinjal. Then pumpkin, PUMPKIN, pumpkin. Then onion, ONION, onion. Then cucumber, CUCUMBER, cucumber. Now some winter vegetables. So here are the pictures and their names. PEAS, peas. Carrot, CARROT, carrot. Radish, RADISH, radish. Beetroot, BEETROOT, beetroot. Then broccoli, BROCCOLI, broccoli. Now we are going to learn names of some fruits, and here also you can see some pictures of fruits. You recognize them and name them. So first one is apricot, APRICOT, apricot. Then dragon fruit, DRAGON, dragon, FRUIT, fruit, dragon fruit. Then custard apple, CUSTARD, custard apple, APPLE, custard apple. Then blueberry, BLUEBERRY, blueberry. Then raspberry, RASPBERRY, raspberry. Now we will revise summer fruits. So recognize them and name them. First one is watermelon, WATERMELON, watermelon. Second is mango, MANGO, mango. Then strawberry, STRAWBERRY, strawberry. Then papaya, PAPAYA, papaya. Then pineapple, PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Then plum, PLUM, plum. Then banana, BANANA, banana. LITCHI, lychee. Now we will learn some winter fruits. So here are some pictures and we will revise their names. So grapes, first one is GRAPES, grapes. Second is apple, APPLE, apple. Orange, ORANGE, orange. Then pear, PEAR, pear. Then guava, GUAVA, guava. Just as an information, we have class test on Thursday, that is 2nd September. Question and answer of U sound will be taken. So thank you everyone. Whenever you get time, you revise all the given content.